For G click, learn G trick. The sum of the coefficients of all the terms in the expansion 1 minus 3x plus x square whole to the power 10 is 2, minus 1, 1 and minus 2. Which of the following four options is right here? The trick is, in the expansion ax plus by plus cz whole to the power n, the sum of coefficients of all the terms in this expansion is a plus b plus c whole to the power n. Now, in the expansion 1 minus 3x plus x square whole to the power 10, here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 1 and n equal to 10. So, the sum of all the terms in this expansion is 1 minus 3 plus 1 to the power 10, that is minus 1 to the power 10, that is 1 to the power 10, so we get 1 here. So, C is the right answer. Sum of all the coefficients of all the terms in the expansion of 2x plus 3y plus 4z to the power 20 is, we apply the same trick here. You know the trick. In the expansion ax plus by plus cz to the power n, the sum of coefficients of all the terms is a plus b plus c to the power n. So, here in the expansion 2x plus 3y plus 4z to the power 20, a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 4 and n equal to 20. So, applying this trick, sum of all the coefficients of all the terms in the expansion 2x plus 3y plus 4z to the power 20 is 2 plus 3 plus 4 to the power 20. So, we get 9 to the power 20. So, D is the right answer.